So we got another downside, and the roof's coming off. Let's go and check out the top floor. So obviously it's a bit of a mess being a builder site. Going up to first level. Check out the new beam that's gone in. At the next level, wine bottles. Seeing a hole in the roof. So voila, here we go. The roof is off, and I'll put in 2 new beams. Hopefully they'll keep the fireplace. Good luck, face. It's going to come out. Let's take the skylight out. Yeah, it's got shutters on it. That's interesting. Skylight. Oh, this is a big room. Got lots to do in this room, but one bit at a time. We'll get it all done. Check that out. So there you go. Another adventure, another day. It's lots of hard work, but it's good to see the progress. Thanks for watching.
So today's job, we're going to clear some more of the walls and ceiling in the main entryway. a lot achieved today. We opened up this cupboard in here, finished stripping the plaster, and then we have stripped all of this. The ceiling, the walls. Big job. We've done it. All the rubble is now in the garden to be cleared hopefully in the next week. There we go, it's the rubble. Can't see much, I think this is going flat. There we go.
Shall I climb up the top of it?
All the rubble in the garden, which we are assured our trusty builder friend will be taking away in the next few days, thank goodness.